she wants you real bad if she does these 6 gestures. Number 1. Body language preening. When someone is attracted to you, their body often reveals unspoken signs of interest. One such signal is preening, where they suddenly adjust their posture, fix their hair, or fidget with their clothing. These seemingly ordinary actions can carry deeper meaning. So during your interactions, pay close attention to her body language. If you notice her engaging in these preening behaviors, it could be a sign that she's trying to impress you and capture your attention. Remember, communication isn't just about words, but also about the unspoken cues we give off. Number 2. Communicating through touch. Touch is a powerful form of communication that transcends words. When someone is attracted to you, they may use touch to convey their feelings in subtle ways. Keep an eye out for lingering touches, where she hesitates to let go after a hug, or frequent and gentle touches during conversations. These physical cues can indicate a deeper connection and affection towards you. Number 3. Pointing and leaning. Notice if she slyly or intentionally points her body towards you, even in group settings. This indicates a genuine interest and desire to connect with you on a deeper level. Additionally, observe how she leans her body during your interactions. A slight lean towards you suggests a subconscious desire for intimacy and closeness. Number 4. Smiling and eye contact. The smiling eye dart is a small yet revealing sign of attraction. It occurs when someone glances at you and quickly looks away with a shy or sheepish smile. This gesture unintentionally betrays their interest in you, so pay attention to these subtle cues as they might indicate that she has feelings for you. Number 5. Laughing at your jokes. Laughter is a universal language of connection, and if she laughs heartily at all your jokes, it's a clear sign that she enjoys your company. Shared laughter creates a bond and brings you closer together. So appreciate her laughter as it signifies a shared sense of humor and comfort in your presence. Number 6. Mirroring your actions. Subtle mirroring of your actions is a powerful indicator of attraction and connection. When she unconsciously imitates your gestures or speech patterns, it reflects a deep bond and understanding between you two. Appreciate this unique form of non-verbal communication as it signifies a growing connection and rapport. We've reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.